Hi everyone, I'm Illusion Tech here. Today, this video gonna teach you how to format your SD card, your USB to FAT32. First of all, you have to go to Google and key in partition master free. Click in this link and free download. Enter your email address. And download it for free. Once your installer is done, open up and install it. Install it free. Okay, click start now. You see? Before that, you have to confirm your USB or your SD card is which partition. Mine is USB drive E. Make sure that you are not formatting your hard drive. You have to see properly, double check it. USB drive E, USB drive E. So now, right click. Before I format, I have to let you see my USB is exFAT. You can also using window format by here. Some window have FAT32, some don't have. But if you don't have, you can use partition master free edition. So I'm gonna show you here. Right click, format, and then put your name in Illusion Tech. Okay, 64. That's okay. That's okay. And then start and click apply. Once you have done, you can close it. Okay, now you can check. This is the file is FAT32. Okay, if this video helps you, help me like, subscribe, and put a notification on. Thank you.